Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Glory. If it's your first time you stop by, but if you're my early subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. I love you so much. If it's the first time you stop by, welcome. Please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up if you find this video is useful. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I do Senegal twist. I use this expression here, color 1. You may decide to use the whole pack without cut, but because I don't want my hair to be like really long, I go ahead and I cut my braiding hair into 2. Then I stretch my hair, and this is how I normally stretch my hair. Just pull small amounts out, slowly pull till you finish all the hair. And then to avoid losing too much hair, I start brush from down going up, and I find this really helped me, and I lose like very few hair. And after I finish stretch, this is how my hair looks like at the end. Here we go. This is my natural hair. I divide my hair into 2 to make it easy to begin on one side how many lines I want. And it's also easy to make the lines even once you work with half part of my head. So I go ahead and make the first line. You may decide any size of the line you want. You may make more small lines, or you may decide to do more big line, depending on how comfortable you are. This is how the line looks like. Each section I use the same amount of braiding hair. And then I divided the first section. Braiding hair goes back of my natural hair, and then I make sure I hold my hair from down with my another hand, and I start to roll while both hands help me. Thumb finger and index finger help me to hold every time when I roll, so that the hair will not unravel. After I roll one side and I make sure it's tight enough, then I roll another side. Then I start to make twists. Every time I add only one section, it means this line, the section I add, I make sure I add the whole line. Then I roll till I feel like the hair is tight enough. Then I pick another section. My index and my thumb finger help me to hold, while my another hand help me to separate the section. I hold again, roll the hair till I make sure the hair is tight enough. When I roll another side, another section I put in between my long finger, so that to avoid the hair to unravel, because once the hair unravel, it means I'm going to lose this twist. So I have to make sure I hold both sections. The one I'm adding here, and another one which I hold with my long finger to avoid the hair to unravel. Then I keep going. After I finish, my another hand, empty hand, help me to add section. Index finger and thumb finger hold the new section, and then I start roll. I roll till I feel like the hair is tight enough. Then I make twists. Roll till I feel the hair is tight enough, then I make twist. When you are twist, you have to make sure you roll enough till you feel like here I hold the hair well. And then when I'm rolling, I make sure I start to roll from down of my natural hair. I hold the hair from down, so that it's easy for me to roll and to make the section tight enough. Yeah, if you take big section, you'll find you have a lot of flyaways. So just take small section, hold it well, wrap before twist, make sure you wrap tight, and then make twist. If you are wondering, or if you're thinking like how long this style gonna last, this style is going to last up to 4 weeks, depending on how you cover when you sleep. because sleeping is very important when it comes to protective hairstyle. So if when you're sleeping you cover well, this hairstyle is gonna last up to 4 weeks. So it's such a protective style, and it's very friendly for summer or winter, depending on the place you are. I mean, which season of the year it is right now. So after I finish add hair, all the way down I only roll and twist just a normal way, like I'm doing a normal twist. And this is how I go till end of the hair. I make sure I twist it till end of the hair to avoid the hair to unravel. Another thing I forgot to mention earlier is don't forget to apply some gel on your hair. You may use any kind of gel that works for you, and if you apply some gel, it will be even more easy for you to hold the hair well and to put the hair together. Have a lot of way to do this Senegal twist. You may use this method, or you may use another method to add small from small section to bigger, but for DIY I find this is the most easy way. This is the final result for today's video. Hopefully you enjoy watching this video and you get something. If yes, kindly give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, share with your loved ones so that they know how to make this hairstyle. I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon on my next video. Bye bye.